In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy OneDrive storage. Whether you found yourself running low on space for your digital files, or you simply want to understand the process of expanding your storage capacity on OneDrive, you've come to the right place. This walkthrough will take you through each step of the process, ensuring you know exactly what to do to increase your storage space in OneDrive. To kick things off, let's head over to the Microsoft website. Microsoft oversees OneDrive, so this is where you'll begin. Once you're there, you'll notice the option to sign in prominently displayed. Clicking on this will move you forward in the process. After you click sign in, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. It's crucial here to use the email associated with your Microsoft account, as this is tied directly to your OneDrive. After typing in your email, hit next to proceed. Next up, you'll be asked for your password. Ensure you enter it carefully to avoid any unnecessary delays in accessing your account. Once your credentials are correctly entered, a Next button will appear. Click it to continue. If everything goes well, and I'm sure it will, you'll then be prompted to click Yes to stay signed in. This is especially helpful if you're doing this on a private computer and you want to streamline future sign-ins. With the login process out of the way, you're going to click on All Microsoft, which takes you to a comprehensive view of all Microsoft's offerings and services. Among these options is OneDrive. Go ahead and click on OneDrive to access the specific service we're focusing on today. Upon entering OneDrive, click on Sign In once again, this time to directly access your OneDrive storage management. You might wonder why you need to sign in again. This is a security measure to protect your digital space from unauthorized access. After signing in, you will arrive at the home page of OneDrive, which serves as the central hub for all your stored files and folders. You'll want to look for the option that says Manage Storage. This section provides a summary of your current storage usage and available space. From here, proceed by clicking on Get More Storage, which will present you with various options to increase your OneDrive space. Within the Get More Storage area, you'll be presented with a range of storage plans. Each plan varies in capacity and price, so take a moment to consider what best suits your needs. Maybe you're a heavy user, requiring lots of space for photos, videos and documents, or perhaps you just need a small additional amount to tide you over. Once you've made up your mind, select a storage plan that aligns with your needs. This selection process is straightforward, but do take the time to review the specifics of each plan. Sometimes there are additional benefits or terms that might sway your decision one way or the other. To conclude, after choosing your ideal storage plan, follow through with the payment and confirmation steps. Microsoft has made this process very user-friendly, guiding you through each phase until your purchase is finalized. Once everything is confirmed, you'll immediately see your OneDrive storage limit increase. Buying additional OneDrive storage is not just about having more space, it's about freeing yourself from the worry of running out of room for your important files, photos and documents. It's an investment into your digital well-being and peace of mind. Remember, you can always adjust your plan in the future, either by upgrading to more space or downgrading if you find you're not using as much as you anticipated. Microsoft's flexibility in managing these plans is a significant benefit for users. Finally, do keep an eye on your storage usage over time. Regularly checking in can help you make the most of your space, organize your files better, and ensure that you're always covered for your storage needs. That wraps up our guide on how to buy OneDrive storage. It's my hope that you found this walkthrough helpful and that it has made the process clear and simple for you. Whether for personal use or managing data for work, having enough digital space is essential in today's world. Thank you for watching, and here's to never running out of storage space again.